come join me as I get ready to play ping pong at Lapaz. I'm packing up my rackets with extra ping pong balls just in case. And you have this little washcloth. It's actually compacted. When you wet it with water, it expands into a wet washcloth. So in that goes. And I have my little emergency kit when you go to the bathroom. You know, the usual toilet paper, wet wipes. Most of the time you don't find it. And my little plastic bag for my wet shirt that I pack, extra t-shirt I wear after my game, little washcloths. I need that for my sweat. In it goes my socks I need to wear, and my water bottle with iced water in it. So off I go to play ping pong at Gaisano City Mall in La Paz. It rained very hard yesterday, so you could see there's a lot of puddles on the road. So I have to traverse, these potholes with water. And on my way to the main road up ahead, where I will catch my modernized jeepney ride to Festive Walk Mall. And after that, from Festive, I will catch another ride to Gaisano City Mall. I'm so lucky to be living near the main road, so it's not difficult for me to catch public transportation. Guys, you must cross the road properly, cross on the pedestrian lane, look right, left, right. You gotta watch out these vehicles. Technically, majority of them don't stop, so you just gotta be careful. So I see my modernized jeepney ride up ahead down there. So I will flag it. Down. So my first ride cost 16 pesos and 25 cents from where I'm standing at and all the way up to Festive Walk Transportation Hub. So that white minibus is my modernized jeepney ride. I prefer this one because it's air conditioned and it's easier to get on. And I've arrived now at the transportation hub. So I see my ride. So this another modernized jeepney ride will take me to Gaisano City Mall at La Paz. And my fare for this one is 20 pesos. So up ahead is La Paz Public Market, where you can find Netong's Bachoy, which is famous in Iloilo. So we turn right here, and up ahead is Gaisano City Mall, my stop. So now we have arrived. I was dropped off in front of Gaisano City Mall in La Paz. So this is the area around the mall. It's an older type of mall. And you see these security guards. They check your bags. So off I go. I catch this escalator heading up to the second floor in order for me to catch the elevator that will take me to the fourth floor. Here you can find PhilHealth. So if you need, this is where I got my very first Philippine ID. So finally, I don't have to carry with me all the time my passport. I can just show my PhilHealth ID as my identification. So Gaisana City Mall in La Paz is an older mall. It's older, obviously it's older than SM City Mall and Robinson. It has its old world charm in it. Older stores in here. But hey, I'm only here for ping pong. So I'm just glad that I found this place. So here are the elevators that I'm gonna take. That lactation station on the left, I don't even think there's anyone that's been using it. And I'm afraid to look inside and see how clean it is. Anyway, here's my elevator, which it will take me to the fourth floor. And here we are. We have arrived at Chawi Sports Center. It used to be called the Iloilo Tabletop Spinners Association, but after they renovated, it's Chawi now. Here you find billiard tables on the end, and they also have dart section, play darts, and playing chess also. So to the left is where the tables used to be at. So they'll be painting over them soon into the burgundy color so we can easily see the balls. In the meantime, here we are. Welcome to Chawi Sports Center. Hello, Coach Dwight. Good morning. So I train early in the morning, first thing in the morning at 9:30 a.m. So I'm the first one, and everybody else comes in a little after that. You will see in a little bit. Yep, Chawi Sports Center. So Coach Dwight is just setting up our training section. So there's about 10 ping pong tables in this area. So over down there are the billiard table. So they do rent them all out. They rent out the billiard table. They rent out the darts section where you play darts. And if you want to play chess, you rent out, that space too. So it's pretty good area to hang out and, enjoy your time. So this is Chawi Sports Center. So since the renovation, they have increased their membership fee. It used to be 500 pesos every month. Now it's 700 pesos monthly, which is unlimited play. So that's where I signed up on. I signed up for the monthly unlimited. And these are several awards that they have won in tournaments. Training over. Here's Coach Dwight picking up my foul balls. Anyway, thank you, Coach Dwight. See you next week.